Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I'm just going to start off with my brows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and I'm slightly filling in my brows to give it definition. Then I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 5 and I'm topping that on top of the Precisely My Brow Pencil to give it volume. Using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm using an angular brush and I'm concealing it around my brows to make my brows look more bolder. I'm just using a buffing brush to blend it out. I'm using a Inglot eye primer. I'm patting that on my eyes to make my eyeshadows last longer. For eyeshadow, I'm using the VCR Dark Matte palette. I'm using that brownie shade and I'm popping that on the crease with a crease brush. Then I'm using a burnt red color on a crease brush and I'm popping it on the crease. And I'm just blending it out on the lid as well. Then I'm using that purple shade and I'm using that on the outer corner. For the eyelid, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade A Little Quirky and I'm popping that on the lid with an applicator brush. Then to line my top lash line, I'm using the Show Mirror Super Mario liquid liner. Moving on to face, I'm using the PAC Oil Control Primer and popping that all over my face. Then for corrector, I'm using the Cover FX Correcting Click Stick in the shade Orange. I'm using that on the dark spots of my face. Then I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with my Beauty Blender Pro and I'm popping that all over my face to give it coverage and to even out my skin tone. I'm just popping a little bit of gloss on the lips because my lips are dry. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer again with the same Beauty Blender Pro and I'm patting that under my eyes to give it coverage. I'm using the PAC H3 Translucent Powder and I'm setting my entire face and under my eyes. Then moving on to the same palette again, I'm using that rusty red shade and I'm popping that on my lower lash line. For Kajal, I'm using the Nagar eyeM Black Kajal and I'm popping that on my waterline and tight line. I'm using a pencil brush to smudge out the kajal on the lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and I'm loading that on my top and bottom lashes. Moving on to face again, I'm using the Becca Sunlight Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. I'm using that on the perimeters of my face to bronze up my skin. For blush and highlighter, I'm using this Becca Split Pan, highlighter. I'm using the shade Ameretto and Prosecco Pop. For lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Heartbreaker and I'm filling in my lips with it. And finally, I'm using the NYX Mattifying Setting Spray and I'm popping that all over my face. And that completes the makeup look. I hope you really liked it. It's very simple, but I've tested out some few products, so I wanted to create this look. All the products will be listed down in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, that is it for this video. Really hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.